Alright, install day. Evercool, 175 litre. The reason I'm doing these videos is because I've been searching on the net for ages about how to do this, and I thought I'd do a video, hopefully that'll help someone. So we bought this from Caloundra on the 2nd, so we paid like cheap. Fridge, freezer, 2-door. So now it's install day. We've taken the fridge out, the other fridge. So what I've done is I've installed an Anderson plug, and an Anderson plug is really easy. So the blue's your negative, the red is the positive on that. So then later I'll just show you how we connect it. So we're going to run 6mm wire, twin core wire, through to a circuit breaker, through to the battery. Alright, so we've made the hole ready for the fridge, we've measured it. So it's a bit floppy, so we're going to put another board here. But we've just got wires running from the Anderson plug. So here's the Anderson plug here that we're going to plug the fridge in, which is coming through here, which will go through to the batteries. We'll show you the finished job. So we got it in, squeezed, tight fit, but we got it in. We had to saw around through here. We've anchored it, but it's all set up, it's on. We've put the 6mm square Anderson plug, or 6mm twin core cable, under Anderson plug. We are going to hook it up to our lithium batteries, but we're going away in a couple of weeks. We want to make sure the fridge works, so we just got it on the arc pack. I've got a 5-metre Anderson plug with 6mm twin core and no voltage drop, so 6mm is fine. And she opens beautifully. And what better to see, the fridge works.